Y'all see these napkins here? Shout out to the scammer that sent me these party napkins. That's right, I said scammer. So I got these from this random person, this random address with this phone number via Amazon. And I tried to call the number back and it was just this random number. And these were $1.74. And what these scammers are doing, they're ordering really small or really cheap items and sending them to random addresses that they found. And they're doing it with stolen credit cards. And they want to see if the credit card will actually work. And they do a little test run, $1.74, sent it to an address. And once I've received them, they get the tracking that I've received them. So that lets them know that the credit card works. So shout out to the scammer that sent these to me because I'm going to get some good use out of them. Thank you.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to TamzTable. So excited to have each one of you at TamzTable. So pull up a chair and take a seat and ring the bell for VIP. A brand new video's coming up now at TamzTable.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to TamzTable. Y'all, I'm so excited to have y'all here with me today. All of my VIPs that have subscribed and rung that notification bell. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl. Mwah, love y'all. To all of my first-time visitors, y'all, welcome. Pull up a chair because today we have a special treat. I am doing a seafood sauce review. This is by The Secret Sauce. It's called Flava Seafood Sauce. I have a spicy and I have a mild. I got some lobster tails, I got some shrimp, some corn, some sausage. I just threw something together real quick so I can do a taste test for you all. So I'm going to bless my food so we can get started. Gracious God, I thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Lord, I ask that you will bless it and sanctify it and allow it to be nourishment for my body. And Lord, for those that don't have anything to eat, Lord, I ask that you will bless them and provide for them as you are Jehovah Jireh. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, so let's get started. Okay. So this sauce took forever to get here. Y'all know the Postal Service is going crazy right now here in the U.S. If you are watching me from the U.S., we having some problems, but hopefully it'll get solved soon. But if you're ordering anything and it's not via if it's not via UPS or FedEx, you're gonna wait a long time to get it. I don't know. All right, so here's some lobster tail. And I think I'm gonna try the mild first. This is the mild sauce. You can see it. Ooh, almost spilled it. Get a little dip. This is about to be messy. That's good. That's the mild sauce. These lobster tails are good too. I made these. It's like 6 or 7 of them in here. And some sausage. Spicy beef sausage. It is good. So I'm back again. I knew I came back before. I have my new intro. I finally get a chance to shout him out. His name is Trent Phillips. So if you all like my intro, I wrote it and arranged it. But as far as the music concept and the producing goes, Trent Phillips did that for me, and he is right here in the Atlanta area. I'll leave his information in the description box below. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try the spicy now. I'm getting another tail. Y'all, I have been waiting for this all day long. And it is raining outside here in Atlanta, storming. And I've been inside all day preparing this. Well, not all day. I just had to put in the oven. All right, this is the spicy. Let me slide this. Can y'all see? Ooh. Y'all, the spicy is good. It's spicy though. Woo, and hit you right away. No delay. Oh my gosh. And spicy is better than the mild. They also have a Cajun one too. I didn't get the Cajun one. I just wanted to do the mild and the spicy. But I think I am going to order the Cajun one too. Ooh. Good. Y'all see these napkins here? Shout out to the scammer that sent me these party napkins. That's right, I said scammer. So I got these from this random person, this random address with this phone number via Amazon. And I tried to call the number back and it was just this random number. And these were $1.74. And what these scammers are doing, they're ordering really small or really cheap items and sending them to random addresses that they found. And they're doing it with stolen credit cards. And they want to see if the credit card will actually work. And they do a little test run, $1.74, sent to an address. And once I've received them, they get the tracking that I've received them. So that lets them know that the credit card works. So shout out to the scammer that sent these to me because I'm going to get some good use out of them. Thank you. All right, let me try this here corn. I'm going to put the corn in the spicy sauce. I'm putting it in the mouth. Y'all, this is butter sauce, seasoned butter sauce. Oh, yeah. Woo. That's good. And the corn is sweet. This was worth it. I waited a long time for this sauce. It was worth it. Corn that went down. I think I'm gonna pour a little bit on my bowl. Ooh. 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 Woo. That's some WAP for you. Y'all. I know y'all have seen WAP by now. If you don't know what WAP means, just pull up Cardi B and Meg Thee Stallion. It should tell you. It should tell you what it means. WAP. I would love to tell y'all that it means worship and praise, but it does not. You gotta find out for yourself. That sauce is spicy. But it's good. I'm making a mess. I got a shout out. Let me dry my hands real good. Shout out to AB, check me out. Y'all see these masks? Customized YouTube TamzTable masks. As you all know, we are still in the midst of this mess that's going on. And it's good to have a face covering so that you don't get sick when you go out in public or you're around other people. And I asked her back in, I want to say back at the beginning of May, if she had any, because I know she makes t-shirts. She's like, nah, fam, I don't have none, but you know, be safe out here. I was like, all right, she ain't interested in that. Well, now she is making them. So if you want your own customized YouTube face mask, hit up AB, check me out, and she will get you right. She make all my t-shirts and now my masks. What do I have to drink? I got some watermelon Tropicana. And it's good. It's my new go-to. I ain't even give y'all none. Dang. Let me give y'all a fresh piece. Y'all want a piece I'll be in better for. Let me give y'all a fresh piece. Y'all see this one? Which y'all want, the spicy or the mild? So I want the mild. Okay. Ooh, that's spicy, ain't no joke. Y'all want some lemon on it? Let me get you some lemon. Woo! Y'all, if you want to order this and you want it soon, get it for election day. Get it before election day. Because the post office is going crazy. Did you see that was taking away all the sorting machines? And the actual mailboxes? A truck pulled up in Tennessee. Of course, Tennessee, right? It started loading mailboxes, the real blue mailboxes, on the back of the truck. No cap. I can't make it up. Woo. This corn is so good, crunchy and sweet. Mmm. 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 Woo. Y'all, look at this mess. I'm sorry, y'all. But if you don't like messy, I always say it. This ain't the channel for you. There's plenty of channels out here where people eat real dainty and real sweet. Damn me. So good. Y'all, to all of my people that have been rocking with me since the beginning, everybody should recognize this look, these brown curls. This is what I started with at the very beginning of my channel about a year ago. So to everybody that's new, this is what I used to look like. So the blonde is gone for now, just for a little while, and I'll be rocking this for, I don't know, we'll see. So I hope y'all like the curls, because that's what it's going to be. Curls, 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 22 inches. Yes, curls, curls, curls. I some good shrimp. These shrimp came from the market. Shout out to Rainey's. Hook me up all the time. If you don't have you a seafood hookup, and you do seafood boils, I don't know where y'all getting this here money from. Cause baby, times is tough. I'm so glad I got me a hookup. She texted me the other day talking about some crab legs is in. I said I don't have no room in my freezer right now, but I'll be up there shortly. I got to get back up there and see her. This sauce is good. Right now they're on sale for $10 a piece. Well, depending on when you see this video, I don't know when it's gonna drop, but they're on sale for $10 a piece. I think they're normally $15. Would I pay $15 for them? No.
Oh, you want some of this too, old man? Huh? No.
But I would pay $10, and that's why I bought them at $10. $10 a piece. There are so many seafood sauces out here now, and not all of them taste good. I'm gonna just be honest, they don't, but these are good. The spicy to me is better, but I think this mild butter sauce is a little more tolerable. So go ahead and support them. I think their page, I put their page in the description box. I believe it's Seafood Connection. But yeah, it's called The Secret Sauce. Flava Seafood Sauce. The Secret Sauce. Child, they got a lot of names. Maybe they went through a lot of name changes. I don't know. But it's good. Let me shout my boy out. Kev on stage. He has been doing virtual comedy shows called the Social Distancing Comedy Show. And he's done 2 shows so far, and they have been really good. First time I paid $12. And of course, you get to watch from the comfort of your own home. The second time I got a $2 discount and paid $10 because I went to the first show. Well, not went to, but I watched the first show. So I will tell you that Tony Baker is hilarious. He has been like the headliner, and deservedly so. Excuse me. He is hilarious. Tony Baker. Look him up on Instagram. He is funny. He does all the animal voices and the interpretations and stuff. So funny. Am I still recording? Oh, I'm still recording. Yeah. This is so good. I had to make sure I was still recording because I had to stop because my neighbors is outside. As soon as it stopped raining, here they go. Well, come outside. Ooh, y'all, this sauce is bomb. So good. So, I got a message with a comment on my last video with me eating the D-shell king crab, and they wanted to know the lyrics of my theme song or my intro that I wrote. And I'm like, sure, I'll put it in the comments. They're like, no, we want to hear you sing it without the music. I'm like, okay. So here it is. Let me get ready. I'm still working on moving, y'all. I'm still working on it. I got to get away from these neighbors. One of them moved out. Did I tell you in the last video one of the neighbors moved out? One of the neighbors moved out downstairs, so she ain't got her little buddy to go out there and kiki and cackle with, but the kids still be in the hallway. But anyway, let me sing this for y'all. Okay, here's the intro, and I'll put the words in the description box below. This is for Will, Road Trip Ranch Show, and I forgot who else asked. It was only 2 people, but here it is. What's up, everybody, and welcome to TamzTable. So excited to have each one of you at TamzTable. So pull up a chair and take a seat and ring the bell for VIP. A brand new video's coming up now at TamzTable. Okay, so that's it. I wrote that kind of like, I think it was last year. And it took forever for me to get with Trent. So good. And get into the studio and do it, but we did. In the midst of all that was going on, we was finally able to get in there and cut it. And I like it. And the little editing and stuff, with the little clips, that's me. That's all me. I tried to find somebody to do it for me, but they were talking like $65, and one guy was talking about $200, and I'm like, for 15 seconds? That's a lot of money for 15 seconds. These people out here making bank. I'm like, not off me. Not off you, girl. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 Finally, stop raining. Woo! I'm sorry, I don't mean to splash y'all, but this is good. Trying some different things on my channel. I've had this green screen for a long time, and I finally decided to put it up. Hope it works out with the editing. If not, it'll just be green behind me. I don't know, child. I hope it work out. I think I know how to edit it, because you have to edit it after the fact. I don't know, we'll see. These lobster tails are so tender. I forgot where I got them from, but I made them, and they have been in my deep freezer. They are good. Nice and meaty hickory one. Oh, the meat fell off. See how tender it is? Woo! So good. What else I got? I didn't put that much in. Like I said, a lobster, shrimp, sausage, corn. That's it. It was just to taste the sauces. I think that's the last one. That one's empty. This one gone. Hold on. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for y'all. You know how I always leave y'all a prawn? Well, this lobster tail is for y'all. This is for y'all to go bag. If you're new to my channel, I always leave my VIPs something to go. And this is it. This is the one I'm not going to eat. I'm going to wrap this video up. This food was so good. I could keep going, but I'll be going all night. If this has been your first time here at TamzTable, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. My name is TammaraFaye. Whoo, that sauce is spicy. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. Bomb. I'll get y'all some of this sauce.